Hello, welcome back to Health Champions on my channel. Hanging belly can indeed affect personality and confidence for many people, as body image plays a significant role in how we perceive ourselves and interact with others. Hanging belly often a result of factors like weight loss, pregnancy, or aging. But you are on right place. In this video you people will know that exercises that target the core muscles are generally effective for reducing a hanging belly. Here are some exercises you might find helpful. Number 1. Planks. Planks effectively target core muscles, assisting in reducing a hanging belly. Start by assuming a plank position with elbows beneath shoulders and body forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds initially, gradually increasing duration as strength improves. According to research, aim to perform planks 3 to 4 times per week for best results. Combine with cardio exercises and a healthy diet to further enhance abdominal muscle tone and overall fat loss, contributing to a firmer, flatter midsection. Number 2. Crunches. Crunches are beneficial for addressing a hanging belly. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hands behind your head. Engage your core and lift your shoulders towards your knees while keeping your lower back pressed against the floor. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, gradually increasing as you build strength. Combine with planks and other core exercises for a comprehensive workout regimen targeting abdominal muscles and reducing hanging belly appearance. Number 3. Leg raises. Leg raises are effective for targeting a hanging belly. Lie flat on your back, hands under your glutes for support. Keeping your legs straight, lift them upward until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Then slowly lower them back down without touching the ground. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements to engage the lower abdominal muscles. Incorporate leg rises into your routine along with other core exercises for comprehensive abdominal strengthening. Number 4. Russian twists. Russian twists are beneficial for addressing a hanging belly. Sit on the floor with knees bent and feet lifted, holding a weight or medicine ball in front of you. Rotate your torso to one side, then to the other, tapping the weight on the floor each time. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on engaging the oblique muscles. Incorporate Russian twists into your routine along with other core exercises for a well-rounded abdominal workout. Number 5. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches effectively target a hanging belly. Lie on your back with hands behind your head, knees bent, and feet lifted off the ground. Alternate bringing your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then switch sides in a pedaling motion. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per side, focusing on controlled movements and engaging the entire core. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your routine alongside other abdominal exercises for comprehensive strengthening and toning. Number 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are excellent for addressing a hanging belly. Begin in a plank position with hands under shoulders. Alternately bring your knees towards your chest in a running motion, engaging your core throughout. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing duration as you build stamina. Focus on maintaining proper form and a steady pace. Incorporate mountain climbers into your routine alongside other core exercises for a full-body workout that targets abdominal muscles and aids in reducing hanging belly appearance. Remember to combine these exercises with a healthy diet and overall active lifestyle for the best results. Consistency and patience are key when working towards reducing a hanging belly. If you're new to exercise or have any health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new fitness routine.